At first glance, looking at this, you may not figure out what the right thing to do is straight away, and that's okay. So you might have to try a few different things before something actually starts to work out. But we're trying to simplify this expression, and a lot of the times when we simplify a fraction, we want to try to cancel out the denominator. So that means, can we try to get an expression similar to, or exactly, x to the negative 1 minus y to the negative 1? Can we try to get that from our numerator? Keeping that in mind, we're going to have to do some factorizing. So then you would ask, how can we factorize? Well, what would our common factor be in our numerator? So we can see that the numerator has two terms. Both terms have x and y in it. And keeping the denominator in mind, we're trying to get x to the negative 1 take y to the negative 1. So what common factor can we take out in order to get an x to the negative 1 or y to the negative 1? And the answer is, we can take out x to the half, y to the half. So if we divide both terms in the numerator by x to the half, y to the half, using our index laws, we're just going to have to take away half from each power here. We're going to have to take half from each power here. So that will leave us with x to the 0, which is 1, and y to the negative 1. There's our y to the negative 1. Take away x to the negative 1 and y to the 0, which we're not going to write. And this is all over x to the negative 1 take y to the negative 1. And now you can see that we have two expressions, one in the numerator, one in the denominator, that are very similar. So in order to get them to a point where we can cancel them out, we're going to have to factorize out negative 1 from up here. So let's go ahead and do that. So that negative 1 can come all the way out to the front, giving us x to the half, y to the half, and if we've factorized out the negative 1, we can switch these terms around. And in our next step, we can cancel out x to the negative 1 take y to the negative 1, leaving us with negative x to the half, y to the half, and we know that to the power of a half means square root of, well, it means square root. Now since both x and y are being taken to the power of a half, we can use our index laws to do this. So negative xy all to the half, and then that lets us write this as negative root xy, and that is this expression simplified. So a couple of strategies there that you might want to try to look for, apply when you simplify expressions in the future. Hope you learned something from this video. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment or request, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. See you later.